Yeah, that's the water pump. And the water pump hapa. Which you can see the leakage. Oh, leakage inatoka kwa water pump, eh? Yeah, that's the water pump, eh? This assembly, hiyo yote in the water pump. Then hapa kuna hiyo, now the bearing is here. Is this the bearing that is making the noise, eh? So wakati iko high speed, that's what we say. Yeah, exactly. Now, that is the bearing. I think it's the one that is worn out, eh? Yeah. Okay, thank you.